got our little guy here. You can just set it right down there. Oh, where'd the plate come from?
Susan.
Oh, that was nice of her.
We don't need this right now, do we?
No, but did we luster the rest of these? Oh, we didn't.
Oh, let me luster them real fast.
Is this the water?
All right, those 3 are ready to go.
Okay.
We need 3 more.
I'm just putting a little water on so that they'll stick, because this toothpick represents the center of my cake. And we're just gonna lay these on. Oops, sorry. Am I going too slow for you?
Oh, no, I'm good.
Okay. Okay, and then get the other 3 on.
What flavor is the cake, Tami?
It's a triple chocolate cake. It's dark chocolate with a semi-sweet chocolate, 2 different layers, like a fudge layer and a semi-sweet chocolate layer. And then the buttercream is a white chocolate buttercream. It's got a very light cream cheese filling, buttercream filling. And then this is obviously like Tootsie Roll chocolate fudge frosting.
Yum.
It's very rich.
Oh, yummy. Huge smile.
Yeah. Well, Groom's cakes are traditionally chocolate, so when I asked Cindy, you know, if she minds, she's like, no, Ken likes chocolate. So, okay. Well, that's going to have a little bit of a gap, but that's okay. We're not going to worry about it.
No one sees the top anyway, right?
Well, I don't know about that. Okay, now I've got my little ruler, and I'm going to sit down for this. Oh, how to get powder on that. Okay. Let's move this. You want to grab that towards you. Okay, so I want to keep them even around. Look like they're fairly even, but they're about approximately 2 inches here. So I'm going to attach them at approximately 2 inches so that they look even all the way around.
Sharon says, so cool, Tami.
Thank you. Thank you. Here, I'm going to let my assistant attach those bells that might possibly be sliding.
I think I'll need a dust puff too here.
Yep.
I have one over here.
Okay. And my assistant covered my cake for me. Very nice. Thank you very much.
Certainly.
Okay. What we're going to do is I will go ahead and do the top part of this while she's
Did I get the ruler? Thank you.
demanding.
You taught me well.
I'm going to put a ruffle collar on this guy, and we're going to put a top hat on this guy. The top hat is going to be chocolate fondant. Oh, did you bring it back?
Yes, I did.
Oh, good. Thank you.